you had recovered it.
I was down. Like, man down. Man down.
Aaron was in my aisle.
It's fucking crazy, dude.
Look at the shit. People look at the shit. And the ankles, that's gonna leave a mark.
Yeah, that's gonna be a problem tomorrow night.
That's gonna leave a mark. And this is gonna leave a mark. See right there, that's already starting to swell and like do some next level shit. That finger, it's not even right. They left me. The cart fell over. Erica's rolling in the cart. The car starts to fall. Erica says, "Don't let me fall, don't let me fall." I try with all my might to hold her up with my ankles. Both of them. That's why they're like that. And the cart, as it starts to go down, and she pops out of it and just runs away. And so does Erica, Kim, and Takana. And next thing I know, I'm left there with a cart.